My role is the project manager, and my main responsibility is to make sure that the safety and the budget and the delivery is all completed. The project is replacing the existing timber bearers or sleepers for the turnouts and upgrading them to concrete bearers, which is aligning with the rest of our network. The reason we have the turnouts is to allow the trains to move from one track to the other. And one of the reasons we would do that is if there was an incident on one line and we needed to clear it, then we would reroute the trains on a different line. Some of the components won't need to be changed for about 25 years, and some of them won't need to be changed for 50 years. One of the big benefits of that is it will reduce the noise and the clitter-clatter of the trains when they're going over the turnouts, so that'll reduce the impacts to the local residents. Put on rail replacement buses. They've been well used by the public. We're pretty much on schedule. The guys are getting ready to install the first turnout with the PEM LEMs.
The PEM LEMs are leading edge. It's all about innovation and doing it the best way we can, safest and quickest way we can. There's no men in the work zone, so there's no crush injuries. This is all remote control and stand back and watch the show, really.
The PEM LEMs, they're good. They make it a lot quicker. Even the turnouts we put in so far, we've saved 2 days welding work on them.
As you can see, we've got a bit of a gap on the track, and we've got the Indian Pacific due through on that line in about 3 hours' time. So we're busily working to fill that gap. It's Sunday morning here. We've had our changeover for night shift. We've got our overheads electrical crew on site behind me. We've got our trackworks crew welding here. So yeah, we're hoping to finish on time on Monday morning.
So it's a signalling location case, which will have all the point machines, wiring and the signalling wiring connected to open the line safely on Monday.
Long term, we're delivering an even better product to the public. It's going to be improved reliability, less noise. It's been a busy weekend, but overall very happy. It's been a great success.